In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a process flow diagram on a Miro board using this easy process mapping tool. Whether you're collaborating with a team or mapping out processes by yourself, Miro offers a dynamic platform that's intuitive and easy to use. Let's start by heading over to Miro.com. Here, you'll want to click on the login button. Miro offers flexible sign-in options so you can enter with your email or a Google account. Go ahead and click on Continue with Email if that's your choice. Once you're in, you'll find yourself at your Miro dashboard. Here, you can access any of the boards you've been working on. Simply click on the board that you'd like to use for your process mapping. For those creating a new board, you can start fresh by clicking on the plus button, conveniently located on the left side of your dashboard. This brings you to another suite of tools that really open up the creative and planning potential on Miro. The next step is to refine your resource options. Click on Tools, which will allow you to explore Miro's extensive template offerings. Go ahead and search for templates in the provided search bar and click to access them. Now, since we're focusing on process flow diagrams, you'll want to look specifically for an SOP or standard operating procedure template to streamline the process. Click on SOP template when you find it, then select Use Template. This translates the template into a fully editable space on your board. Now you can begin personalizing it to suit your needs. The first thing to do once the template is populated on your board is to give your process flow diagram a title. This not only helps you stay organized but also ensures clarity, especially when sharing with others. Choose a title that encapsulates the purpose or the key elements of your process. Next, dive into customizing the fields within the diagram. Miro makes it easy to edit each component, whether you're labeling steps, appointing duties, or adjusting paths. It's your opportunity to tailor the process flow diagram to reflect your vision accurately. Feel free to change shapes, reposition blocks, or modify text. This is all part of making the diagram a true reflection of the strategy or operation you're planning. Lastly, take a step back and look over your diagram. Tweak and refine until it matches your expectations, and remember that collaboration is key. Miro's sharing features can involve team members in real time, which is ideal for gathering input or making necessary adjustments on the fly. With these steps, you're empowered to create detailed, functional process flow diagrams that are not only accessible but can dynamically evolve as your project does. Remember, practice and exploration within Miro will only enhance your mapping skills, making your future projects even more seamless. Happy diagramming!